There's a collie named Molly, 3 years old. She keeps me hanging, she treats me cold. She brings me twice the misery of a case of fleas. I call her up and holler, please, honey, please. I'm itching for you to treat me right. Twitchin' in all my dreams at night. I can't sleep, cause I keep itching and twitching. Around 1 a.m. I saw you jump back over the gate. Where had you been, girl, out that late? You said it was the groomers, now that cannot be true.